Hey guys, just thought I'd do a bit of a review on the forward controls that I got installed recently. So these ones were from Thailand, and these were $600 Australian, sent here to Australia from Thailand. Really good quality. I went for my first ride yesterday with these forward controls on it. Made a big difference with just the comfortability of the bike, I guess, with the mid sets that come with it standard. My legs were getting sore, it was uncomfortable on long rides. It was terrible, but with the forward controls on it now, comfortability on a long ride, perfect. But yeah, just really good quality stuff. I didn't expect it was going to come from Thailand, to be honest. The only thing that I was upset about was the pegs that tore the shreds out of my connies, tore the shoelaces off, tore the material. So if you're going to ride in runners or anything like that with these forward controls, I wouldn't recommend it. But yeah, so for the install, it cost me I think around $300 to get them installed, only because I did try it myself, but I gave up pretty quickly because you had to use bits and pieces from your mid sets and from the new set. You have to interchange the parts together, so well, that was too hard basket for me. But yeah, just hit him up on Facebook. His name is PhD at RCA. Search him on Facebook, send him a message, he'll hook you up. But yeah, highly recommend, guys. Made a big difference to the look of the bike, as well as the rideability to the bike. But yeah, man, definitely better than getting it from Harley Heaven. They're going to charge me I think $1,100 just for the parts, and then labour on top. So to get it all for $1,000, supplied and then fitted, can't beat that. Alright guys, cheers.